Hi guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can generate Instagram posts and write in Instagram posts using ChatGPT very easily. Like I wanted that I write an Instagram post how to productive in 10 steps. You have to give the instruction about your niche. As you can see, he is written the Instagram post for my page. As you can see, I requested that I need an Instagram post for productive in 10 steps. As you can see, he written the 10 steps. Okay, and he write very beautifully. You can see 10 steps. Stay motivated, stay organized. By this way you can generate a lot of Instagram posts from here and run your Instagram business. And you can copy these all and post on your Instagram post. Like I have this template, you will got this template on canva.com, as you can see. So thank you guys. uh, Please subscribe my channel. I will create more videos. As you can see guys, you can create a lot of Instagram posts using this. Thank you guys.